Hello and Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your host Farhan Iqbal and you're watching News Point. So I am here with you with the prediction for the first X% draw for 2021. So yes, I believe the draw which happened last 23rd was last draw for 2020. Although many people are saying that there could be a draw possibly this week, but I don't think so that there can be a draw this week because everything is closed here. Most of the government offices and many of even if the private businesses they close a day before Christmas, and then staff basically takes holidays in between, and then usually they open after uh, first January. And this time, since that's coming on a Friday, so Saturday, Sunday is also off. So people mostly would be coming back on 4th of January only to offices and all that. So I believe the next Express entry drop would be on January 6th, which would be a regular 14 days gap. So what would be the cutoff in this round? Let's take a look at the data and then see how many people are there in each range. Before we look at the data, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, consider subscribing our channel so that you never miss any of the updates from our channel.
So over here we have the data all the way from 5th August till 23rd December when the last draw happened. So let's take a look and see how many people are there in each range. The last draw happened on 23rd December and the data was published from 21st December. So there's a 2 days gap between the data and the draw, which is a very usual situation. And the last draw happened 14 days after the previous draw. And the cutoff in this draw was 468, which is 1 point lower than what we saw in the draw, which was in the beginning of December. This time around, PNP category are people who have more than 600 scores. There are 479 people, almost similar to what we saw in the beginning of December. Only 66 people more, but I would say is comparable. Then 501 to 600, these are people generally who have job offers and whatnot. So in this category, we have seen a decline. There are 390 people as compared to 537 in the beginning of December. Then 491 to 500, these are also, I would say, mostly CEC and people who have done degrees from Canada and those probably who know French. So in this category also there's a drop. We are seeing 255 people as compared to 314 what we saw in the beginning of December. Similarly, 481 to 490, there are 532 people, which is also significantly less. I would say it's probably 70% or 80% of what we saw in the beginning of December. So 471 to 480, which used to be the biggest category, I believe over here now we are seeing a drop consistently. So this time around we have 1336 people, which is almost 400 people less than what we saw in the beginning of December. In terms of percentage, that's almost, I believe, 25% or maybe a little more. So we are seeing, I would say, a little bit of drop in the number of people who are creating their profiles with very high scores. So holistically, from 471 to 1200, we only had 2992 people, less than 3000 people, which I believe is the lowest apart from this. But this time the draw was happening after 7 days. So if you compare it with any other time when the draw happened after 14 days, this number is lowest, which is a good sign, I would say. Then 461 to 470. In this category, we actually see an increase of the number of people who are creating their profiles. I would say earlier people below 470 were maybe not very enthusiastic because almost for a year score did not drop below 470. But now luckily due to 5000 invitations, the score is going to drop a little by little in every draw, I believe. So that is why we are seeing probably more people applying in this category and people being a little more enthusiastic. So in this category, we are seeing an increase of 416 people. And holistically, from 461 to 1200, there are about 14,000 people, comparable to what we saw in the beginning of December, but actually 350 lower. So what does this mean is that now above 471, we are seeing a little bit of drop. But in 461 to 470, we are seeing a little bit of increase because, as I mentioned, that people who are in the range of 460, now they are very hopeful and they are creating their profiles each and every day with more and more enthusiasm. So let's take a look at the numbers. So we know that when the draw happened on 23rd December, 5,000 ITAs were issued. So this means obviously that above 471 there is nobody after the draw. There were about 3,000 people on 21st December. I would say if we include 22nd and 23rd when the draw happened, then maybe possibly there were another 3 or 400 people. So I would say that 471 profiles created after the December 9 draw till the draw time, which was December 23rd, was approximately 3,300. So that comes out to per day number of profiles with 471 and higher to 300, which is, I would say, similar what we were seeing in the past. Maybe a little lower. Earlier we were seeing 300 to 350 or even 400. So this time we are seeing 300, which is a little less. It's yet to be seen that if it is due to like the year end, a lot of people getting ready for the holidays. We will see actually how this trend continues into the next year, into the new year. So if we take this number of 300 people creating their profiles every single day who have a score of 471 and higher, so I would say about 3,500 to 3,600 people would be there when the draw would happen next time, which would be January 6th. Although many people are talking about that there might be a draw in this coming Wednesday, but I would say the probability of that is almost zero, because over here most of the offices are closed till holidays and the things would start opening after January 4th. So there are about 3,500 or so people would be there when the draw happens who would have a score of 471 and higher. I would say, let me say that this could be actually between 3,000 and 3,600, because as I mentioned that due to holidays maybe actually less people would be applying because people would be busy with their families and whatnot. So how many people would be there in the pool with 471 and higher when the draw happens on January 6th? My guess is that it would be between 3,000 to 3,600. I'm going with a conservative estimate because I'm thinking that more people would be busy with their families and whatnot during the holidays, and probably less people would be applying. However, I could be totally wrong because during the holidays maybe more people would be getting time to create their profiles. So this number could be higher. But let's go with the conservative estimate of 3,000 to 3,600 people. So we know that between 461 to 470 there were 11,000 people. However, we know that from this 11,274, anybody who was on 470, anybody who was on 469 has been taken out, and even some of the people who were on 468, they are also taken out. So this number would have come down to maybe, I would say, because if we say 3,000 people were taken from here, maybe 17 to 1,800 people were taken from here. So that means that 461 to 468, about 8 to 9,000 people are there. That means on each point, 1,000 people are there, a little more than 1,000 people are there on 467, and same on 466, but on 468 there would be less people because some of them have been taken out already. So if I have to take a guess, then I believe that the next cutoff could be 466. It could be 467 as well, but I want to be optimistic, so I would say the next draw's cutoff could be 466 to 468. 468 chances are very little. It would only be in the case if lots of people applied during the holiday season because they took the time off and whatnot, and they had time to create their profiles. But the majority of the chances are that it would be 466 or 467. I should actually over here say 467 as well. So if I was on 467, I would be hopeful, and if I was on 466, I would be praying that next time I get ITA, and I would be hoping that less people apply during these holidays and the score comes a little down. So anybody who is at 466 to 468 should be very hopeful. 468, more than likely they would get the ITS. 467 and 466 should be praying and hopeful.
I hope you liked today's video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and do let us know in the comment section what is your CRS and what do you think would be the cutoff in the next round. Until next time, this is your host Farhan Iqbal signing off. Assalamu alaikum.